uh, is used to speed up programs. Okay, it was made in like Windows 7 to help programs speed up. Okay, what's a program? It's like EXEs. So when you launch any EXE, Prefetch is gonna log it. What's in E? Bro, you guys are. Oh my god. Alright, for an example, let me open everything. Okay, this is an EXE. Okay, I open it, EXE. Prefetch is gonna log it. And the path to prefetch is. One second. C Windows Prefetch. You can do Windows R and type prefetch to access this. And we can see all these prefetch files, but just seeing them is useless, basically. Okay? You need something to parse all of those files. Okay? We're gonna use a tool called WinPrefetch View. We can download it using Nersoft. You're hacking? Sorry. We can download it using like you search it up in Prefetch View and you download the one by Nersoft. Okay? You're just gonna download the 64-bit one, then open it, and it's gonna parse the prefetch files in here. Okay? And now we can see the created time, the modified time, file size, process exe, and the path, run counter, last runtime, and missing process. The created time is when the exe got created on the system. The modified is when they last ran it. Okay? The file size is uh, basically the file size with the DLLs and everything. And the process exe just tells you what exe ran this. The process path just tells you the exact path. The run counter, how many times you've run this. You can see I ran Chrome like 1000 times. SVC host, blah, blah, blah. And the last runtime. This shows the last 8, maybe 9 runtimes. It could log 9 times, but usually it's 8. Why vape before injected 12? No, no, bro, what? And missing process. Missing process just means if the file exists or not. If the file doesn't exist, it's gonna be missing a process, and it's gonna say yes. Okay? And how you use WinPrefetch View is you get on it and you filter for modified time to see the latest executions. Let's make it bigger. We can see Chrome, services, and you can see I ran everything in here. How do I download WinPrefetch View? You just like search it up on Chrome by Nersoft. Now let me show you guys an example. Okay, let me open up my vape. This is my vape file. Let me just open it. Wow, I'm a cheater. Oh my god. Okay. We wait a bit. When you open like an exe or something, it's gonna take like 3 to 4 seconds for prefetch to log, basically. Let's refresh and vape. Ah, vape. And you get the process path, the process exe, and missing process. And now if I delete vape, let me guys show you. Let me delete it. Refresh. It's gonna say missing process. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. And now, if you don't find vape.exe, okay, you just like find consent, like all these normal things. Run DLL, SVC host, and etc. You're gonna go to like suspicious exes, which are basically like SVC host, run DLL32, ctfmon, conhost, consent. All of these things are suspicious. And I'm not gonna look at everything. I'm gonna look things near Java W or 5M if you're a 5M checker. Yeah, PowerShell, CMD. So near Java W, I ran a reg got logged, so I would check it out, see nothing is like suspicious. I would check SVC host. Alright, so when you go to check out a prefetch file, you're gonna filter by index. Okay? You're gonna filter by index because this was ran first, this was ran second, and so on. Okay? And I would usually just go down and look for any exes. We can see conhost logged vape. If this didn't exist, like here, we can see conhost, a logged vape. We can see, we can like go on everything and search up vape, basically, and look at it, analyze it. We can see it also has like CMD, OBS, all of these are normal. And let me guys give you a list of suspicious things to look at. Okay, so consent, it's this one. We just looked at it. We didn't. Oh, there's vape. Conhost any app close to Minecraft, CMD, PowerShell, MMC, Java W, which is Minecraft. What is the meaning of the hash after the name? It's it's basically just an algorithm for Windows. Process hacker and system informer. If you see process hacker or system informer ran, you're gonna ban. You can ban for these two. Process hacker and system informer. Consent is basically the admin pop-up. When you open something as admin, like there would be a pop-up for user account control. This is consent, basically. We would look for ready edit, run DLL, because they are like run DLL sheets, or DLL sheets, sorry. And Rec Server 32, any coding languages and programs such as VS Code and anything like that. Okay? You're not going up to speak, bro. No. The index is just the files loaded with the prefetch file. Like if we go to, let's say Java W, we can see Java W used all of these to load. What about DLL host? I mean, yeah, you would just like look at anything near Java W or suspicious in your opinion. And anything with a missing process. Missing process can be useful like most of the time. Whenever a process is missing, they're possibly trying to bypass basically. Can you explain? When it's missing process, it just means the file is deleted. It's not on disk anymore. Like I showed you with vape, I executed vape and then I deleted it. And it's gonna say missing process because vape isn't on my PC anymore. What do I do if I don't find cheese? Should I? No, no. No, the process path? Oh, oops, sorry. If it's missing process path, this probably means two things. They're using a replacement bypass or a hollowing bypass, but we're not gonna go deeply into that. But let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me give you an example. One second. Uh, well, what do I use? Let me use System Informer just as an example. Wait. Oh no, 2020 teaching us one more time? No, no, no. I'm not teaching you guys anymore. Oh, it's this one. Oh, okay. CD. Uh, Let me do this. And all right. Let's see. We can see System Informer was ran, but I ran it as Notepad. If the user who I'm assessing is a girl, you let her pass. That's obvious. You let her pass. Okay. What the fuck? Alright, you can see System Informer was ran. And it's Notepad. Let me refresh. We can see Notepad with no process exe or process path. And this, as I said, indicates process hollowing or a type bypass or a replacement. You can see it just won't log System Informer. It's not a good bypass because it leaves an obvious trace. Okay, shut up and tell us what we need to look for in here. I just told you. Alright, wait, let me show you guys. Do it again? No, bro. Let me show you guys Doomsday Client. Does anyone here, are you gonna teach us how to bypass again? Yeah. Yeah, I am. Wait, who is this? Oh, Cohab. Okay. Alright. Let's hope I don't get ratted or something. You want to teach us how to use self-destruct? Alright, let me run. Doomsday. Uh, this object. Stop building bypassers? No, bro, Doomsday is not that good, okay? Doesn't Doomsday just leaves a bunch of strings anyways? It does, yeah. It leaves a fuck ton of strings. Let me launch Lunar and show you guys. Don't advance eject. Oh, okay. I mean, just normally injecting won't work. Oh, it's already loaded. Okay. Never mind. Let me just launch Lunar. Point 12. Let me launch this. What's DD client? Did he? No, it's Doomsday client. Can we be friends on Lunar client? I'd rather not be friends with you. Please? No, bro. If the skin of Twin isn't a duck. My skin is not a duck. It's not a duck, no. Oh my god, this is ass. Okay. Let me just launch Nolo Virgin 1.20.1. There we go. Let me launch it. And in Java W, let's go back. In Java W, you would check indexes, filter by indexes, and go down a bit. Okay, this is very important in Minecraft. You can see every mod that was loaded. Okay, you can see all of these mods got loaded with .minecraft basically. How to filter for index? Just boop, just click this. Can a mod have no device path? No, it has to have a path. Can't you put it in VirusTotal and to see if it's Doomsday? No. What do you mean? I mean, yeah, you have to locate Doomsday first. No, the jars? I mean, there are a billion jars in here. You're not gonna... Oh, this loaded. Okay, let me see if this injects. Alright, Doomsday loaded successfully. Let's go. Does anyone know how to... I don't know how to self-destruct, I'm not gonna lie. Anyone plays Shift? Okay, there we go. Let's self-destruct. And self-destruct. Right. Doomsday is now gone. Okay. Let me refresh. You can see the latest Java W, okay? We need to go for the latest one. And you're gonna look for the indexes, and you can see here another Java, and you're gonna look for the indexes as well. But there it is. You can see in this Java logged this Doomsday index 29. The index can be changed, so do not just look for index 29, okay? But if you guys know, you can spoof extensions. Did you just put your PC in the microwave? I don't know. What the fuck? Okay. You can change the name, you can change the path, you can change everything. Are you gonna teach us how to bypass with spoofed extensions? No. I'm gonna show you guys a very useful command that will just detect almost all doomsday. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna download it as a .dll. Name it to legit .dll. Download. I'm gonna run it. 1 second. Alright, there we go. Inject. Let me see if it injects. Hopefully. Don't show us Doomsday Finder. Oh, I'm gonna show you Doomsday Finder. Alright, let me self-destruct again. Close this, and you guys are not gonna like be able to find the DLL, okay? It's gonna be impossible to find the DLL. It's there, yeah. It's there somewhere, like, we can definitely find it, but if it's spoofed, like as a DLL, there are a billion DLLs, okay? You're not gonna look one by one. You're not gonna look for it one by one. That's what I'm saying. So a friend of mine made a script that I'm gonna show you guys. Copy text. What if I want to look for it one by one? You can. I mean, it's here. This is it. Like index 31, but it's disguised. Like you're not gonna find it. Where is it? So you're just like gonna. Isn't the path just to downloads though? Yeah, I mean, it is pretty obvious, but I can just hide it and just wow. How are we gonna find it then? I can just rename it to something like user blah blah blah. I'll make you join this as. No, just there's this script basically. And let's run it. Hopefully it works. Oh, and there it is. It found the jar that we just executed, and it found the DLL as well. And you can check for deleted stuff. DSA.dll. This was me testing like ages ago. Did you self-destruct? Yeah, it's not there. It's not there. I'm clicking shift, it's not there. Let me send you guys. This is useful for 1.9 if you want to catch Doomsday. This is like for Doomsday basically. Why it doesn't work for? What do you mean? It doesn't work. It does. It works for every version. I just mean 1.9 and like above, because they're the ones that use mods. How do you catch other clients that aren't Doomsday using this bypass method? What do you mean bypass method? Yeah, I'll show the other tools in a bit. I mean, Doomsday is like the most famous tool, so I'm just like showcasing it. How to look for other clients. I mean, most clients are gonna log here, basically. If you have a mod, it's gonna log here, like 90% of the time. I'm gonna like hold, or maybe not me, probably gonna let someone else hold another webinar. Yeah, you just scroll through, look for any suspicious things. We're gonna host another like 1.9 webinar for like mods and how to decompile mods and stuff. All right. Now let me show you guys the bypasses for Prefetch. Thank you, Ayu, for reminding me. There's a very like old bypass. I don't know if people still use it. I don't think it's still used, honestly. Where's Prefetch? You would basically like go here, go to the Java properties, and you can make it read only or make it hidden. Saw a file named Femboys. There probably is, I'm not gonna lie. Don't worry about that. Alright, they're gonna use read only or hidden, okay? And how you would catch this is you can look in journal for basic info change or security change, but that's not really reliable. We're gonna use Lily script, okay? Which is the services one, which is very useful. I think I showed it in the last webinar. Where is it? Let me make this hidden or read only. And we can showcase it. No, bro. Trust. What the fuck? Didn't copy that command. Shit. Right, there we go, finally. We can use Lily script. Click enter. And boom. Suspicious files, Java, read only. If you see this on a prefetch file, you can ban. That's a bypass. Right? Or if you have like where's Java? Right, let me send the script. Right. And you can also like make it hidden. And now it's hidden, but let me it's not gonna be here. Is it this? No, no, it's not this. It's not gonna be here. It should be like between those two, right? Oh, wait, never mind. This catches it. What the fuck? Guess this is useless. But this also should catch it. Yeah, hidden and read only. If you see this, you can just like ban because This is not normal. Windows does not do this normally. This is only user done. Only bypassers use this. Can I ban if I don't see this? No, bro. Please? No. You only ban if you see this, okay? Hidden and read only. One of these two. This guy wants to ban everyone. God damn. Check journals one because they said file back to normal. No. Yeah. We can also like check journal, but I'm gonna like show that in a later webinar. Alright. Now let's move on to the other uh tools. Bro, Sync, what is wrong with you? We can use Bachman's tool. 2020, I love you, marry me. Bro, after the webinar, not now. Alright. Spock has a tool for prefetch called Prefetch Parser. I don't know if this one is done. Don't use this one. Yeah, don't use this. As a starting point, you can like use Prefetch Parser. Let me download. I don't think I ever downloaded it. Okay, wow. I mean, it's kind of flat for some reason. Actually, don't use this. It's not that good, to be honest. Bakun is like recoding it. Install the backdoor spot. Wait, hold on. Let me download dangerous file. Download. Oh my god. Okay, fuck this. I'm not gonna show it. Don't use this guy's tool ever. I mean, it flags because I think it has like VM protect or something. It's not actually a virus. It's because the way Spockman did it. Or you can use PECMD. Okay? This is very famous by Eric Zimmerman. We can like download it called Prefetch Parser, PECMD. Let me download it. I think I already have it. PECMD. Yeah, let me just showcase it. We need to do CD, which is like a jump to the directory and to the path of where you saved the thing. Make the hollowing. I did? I don't think I did. Alright, and this basically parses a single prefetch file or the entire directory. We can do bcmd-help and we can see what it does. You can select a single file to process. You can do like F and choose a random prefetch file. Copy full name. And what this does, it's gonna parse this file only. But you need to output it into a CSV file, sorry. And then output to directory, okay? It's gonna output in here. You're gonna open Timeline Explorer. Timeline Explorer, wait, where is it? Timeline Explorer. And we can see the prefetch file. We can be source created, modified, accessed, and we can see when it was last run, all the normal shit, and we can see the files loaded. These are in GUID format, so I don't recommend you guys to use this tool. It's not that good, to be honest. I don't use it. I use Win Prefetch View. It's way better. But I'm just like gonna showcase it. Or you can do, instead of parsing a single prefetch file, you can just choose the whole directory, which is Windows prefetch CSV, output the current directory. It's gonna parse all of the prefetch files. Okay. It's gonna take a long time. That's fun. Never use this tool, please. Never ever use this tool. It's so ass. I mean, it's not that ass, but I guess. And we can see the outputs in here. We can filter for source modified, source created, blah, blah, blah. All the shit. See volume name, blah, blah, blah. Directory, files loaded as well, which is the indexes. PCMD is impractical. Yeah, I don't use it, so I have never used it. If I use it, I'm probably just gonna use it to dump all the indexes, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay. And the the best thing that Prefetch does is that it doesn't delete that much, okay? It can delete, but usually it doesn't. So if you're checking someone, like he got reported 2 days ago, like today is 24, we can check what I did in here. You can see I run DLL32, curl, picker host, Chrome. You can see I ran Java W, that's 23. Updater, SVC host, you can see all of those. For FiveM, this is very good because you're able to see what the user has done. There are obviously other artifacts that you can parse as well. Prefetch is really good. I banned someone for cleaning Prefetch. They are proud of me. Yes. And the only time Prefetch is gonna delete is when it does maintenance checks, or when the prefetch file or the folder reaches 1024 items. So when this reaches like 1000, it's gonna start deleting. I banned someone today because I felt like it. Are you proud of me too? Yes, I'm very proud. I'm very proud, yeah. Alright, you can see like Notepad having no process path. This is when I was testing the hollowing. You can see 24. Oh, that was actually a bit ago. I ran it like a week ago or something. I don't know when. Anyways, oh, I deleted it. Okay, I forgot. But basically, when you see Notepad having no process path, that's really suspicious. Okay, if you see any file with no process path or process exe, it's very suspicious. But in my personal opinion, OBS not having a process exe is normal. You can see I ran it. It's very normal. Can it happen legit? Yes. You can see OBS. OBS always does it for some reason. OneDrive as well. I've seen it happen a couple of times. But other EXEs just do not do that normally. Yeah, you can see Steam as well. That's normal. That's basically what I have. And if you see someone following something like Notepad or something, you can just like look at network usage view, but that's for later. Do you guys have any questions about anything? About Prefetch or anything? No, about Prefetch. Yeah. No, bro. No. Can we kiss button.pf? Is there a time you see something executed in Prefetch where it isn't enough evidence? Bad if it's she, obviously. If you see anything in Prefetch, you can ban. Okay, no. If you see like any executables or sheets in boot time, you can ban for that. You can see I ran vape. Uh, where did you can see I ran vape and boot time, which is like 40 minutes ago. You can ban for that. What's the difference between your DD Finder and the list? Does your It's not mine. It's a friend of mine. Is legit vape. Vape is a sheet. Anyways, to answer your question, Lily's one looks for path, basically, and Zaydun's one looks for the indexes in Java W. Like it goes to Java W and looks for every index and checks if it's Doomsday or not. And it's really good. So anything that doesn't have process paths won't show the Lily code. No. Lily's code just checks for paths. For paths, sorry. It doesn't touch prefetch at all. Funny Wars assessors banned for use vape. uh, yeah, I don't know who's in Funny Wars, to be honest. Who screen shares in Funny Wars? Basically use the new script, the one I gave you. You can use Lily's script, but I recommend you to use the new one. Because it parses prefetch indexes, which is way better and more accurate. And it tells you like, oh my god, I hate this fucking tool. What the fuck? Okay, let me just, where is it? Not this one. I use the script. Yeah, Lily's script is very good. The services one. Also, when you see someone like having Doomsday, it tells you the source file as well. You can just like copy it and go here, find. Or you can do Control F and just find the thing you want. Boom, blah 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 dot jar. It caught it. Leak the fanboy file? Bro, hold on. I don't think I have a fanboy file. There is none. Fanboy. There is none. Bro, I don't know what you guys saw. I don't have a fanboy file. You deleted it? I did not, bro. Okay. Nice fanboy file. SS bypass. Nah, nah, nah. I'm gonna prove my innocence. Hold on. I need to prove my innocence. There is no fanboy. There is no fanboy thing. Use use my Doomsday Finder, guys. Use the new one. Yeah, you guys should use the new one. It's more updated and it checks the Java W indexes, which is more accurate. You cleared journal? I did not, bro. I did not. Okay. I cleared it last webinar. Hold on. I cleared it last webinar. 3079. Yeah, like 10 days ago. I deleted it at the webinar. He disabled it. No, bro. When are we gonna have a PowerShell command that just automatically finds everything? You can just use Ocean. You can also just use Ocean. It basically detects Doomsday as well. But if you don't have Ocean, you want to do a quick SS, you can just like catch it with the script. It's a very cool script as well. It has a duck. Hold on. Why is it fogged? It has a duck. No, this is services. Fuck. Look. Do you guys love the duck? Okay, can we wrap this up? Finish. Bro, this guy's gonna get banned. This guy's getting banned, bro. This guy's getting banned. Okay. Do you guys like the duck? I think the duck is because I asked Zayden to make this. I don't know. Free sync? No, bro. Do not free this guy, okay? Alright, do you guys have that duck looks like you? It does. Alright, do you guys have any questions at all? Alright, he pinged me. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Alright, let me unban this guy. Shall I unban him after the webinar? Alright, how do I detect clearing prefetch? I don't know how. Journal. You guys just need to learn about when prefetch view. There aren't a lot of people that clear their prefetch, to be honest. Give us a step by step on how you would use prefetch. Alright. I would go on Google, search up when prefetch view. Download this. Download. Just open it. You can extract, but you can just like open it normally. What I would do is I would remove the created time. This is very useless, okay? I just do this and filter by modified time, okay? Always filter by modified time. And then I would look at anything that happened before the SS or near Java W. Like I would see, oh, PowerShell. I would filter by index and check it out. Check every index out. I would like make this bigger so I can read the file names and just look through them to see if there is anything suspicious. I would look at conhost. I would look at ctfmon, rundl32, which is this rundl32 is useful because it can catch DLL injections, basically. SVC host. What can be suspicious? I already showed this, but where is it? This. These are basically the suspicious things. Consent, conhost, any executions close to Minecraft. CMD, PowerShell, MMC, Java W, which is Minecraft, reg, process hacker, system informer. These ban. This ban. If you see this ran in boot, just ban them. This would be considered bypass attempts. regedit, run DLL, and rexiver. These are for DLLs. DLL injections, hijacks, blah blah blah. All of those are in here. What if they put the DLL in to use 32? How do we find it with Prefetch view? So what he's asking is like, if this is like a sheet, basically, how are you gonna catch it? Basic answer is you need to use PECMD if you want to catch it using prefetch. PECMD, and then you would dump all the indexes and use path parser. But I don't do that. We'll cover like DLLs and System Informer in the next webinar. Did I miss a lot? Yes, we're just ending. In the next webinar, we'll teach DLL injections. But if it appears in prefetch, it's gonna be a bad bypass. Good bypasses shouldn't leave the .dll. You can. I don't think you can. You can like do this basically. Wait. You can do this. Notepad. And you would have like this, but meh, it's not that good. I don't think path parser isn't even gonna like check it. Basically, paste it into ChatGPT. You cannot do that, bro. No. 2020 is ChatGPT. Yeah, or just send it to me. I'll tell you. Please don't. This is a joke. Please. I don't want my DMs to be flooded. Let me unban this guy. Hold on. All right. Boo. No, he's gonna be a good boy. He's gonna be a good boy. Leak the RL staff chat? No. They're probably arguing about hard links or something. If there is anything in staff chat, they're talking about hard links. How long did it take you to catch Sashia? Uh, the SS went for like 1 hour, I think. Forgot. It went for 1 hour. But the bannable thing that I found was at the beginning. So I kept it in a notepad. Are you fluent in this concept? What do you mean? How helpful is a VPN when accessing realistically? It's not that helpful, to be honest. Because let me show you guys. This is actually important. Thank you for this question. In AnyDesk, I need you guys to go to connection, disable this. If this is enabled, just disable it. Disable it and click apply. Okay? You don't need to use a VPN or something. You just disable this for your own privacy. Because basically, if you have it on, you're gonna get your IP. So you guys need to disable this for your own privacy. Yeah. Whenever you re-download AnyDesk, this allow direct connections. You're gonna go to settings, connection, and disable this. I have the newer AnyDesk. Where did I put it? You go here, settings, connection, disable this. I think it's still grab onto all the versions. Yeah, I would recommend you guys to use the newer version of AnyDesk. Just use a VPN. Meh. What's that? Okay, do not show that, bro. Delete that, bro. Delete that. Show them the consequences? No, no. Just like delete this. Delete this. No. The consequences is them getting your IP. Okay? You need to disable it. Can I talk to you after? Yeah, of course. All right. Do you guys have any more questions? Anything at all? Anything related to Prefetch or anything? Yes. What is Prefetch in general? Prefetch helps apps boot up faster. Okay, is that a tool used? No, Prefetch just helps apps boot faster. It was made in Windows 7. They used to call it Superfetcher or Superfetch, one of these two. It got changed to Prefetch in the later Windows version and send us the bypasses. No, bro. No. No, 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 no. Use mine, bro. Alright, do you guys have anything? Anything you want to ask? Show the hollowing for educational purposes. You said it's detected easily. I mean, I showed you how to like basically pinpoint the exe getting hollowed. Where is Notepad? You can see like Notepad, it doesn't have a process exe or process path. This usually indicates process hollowing. Why am I a red PC? What? Why am I? Oh, it just if you're online, it's gonna say it's gonna put green. This is busy. This is do not disturb. How can these people go this deep to avoid getting caught? What do you mean? I mean, just process hollowing is bad. So people combine more bypasses with prefetch with the process hollowing because process hollowing on its own is very bad. As you can see, like Notepad does not having a path at all. And I actually caught someone uh, that was hollowing MS Paint like 2 months ago or something using this method. So it's very useful. Yeah, of course. People can be covered. I never. Yo, shut up. Hollows Hunter? This only works if they don't close the sheet. If they close the sheet, I think it's just like it's so cooked. Don't use this. Everyone just like self-destructs and closes the process they were using. Is inject helper only by metal? No, I think it's used by OBS as well. Can you summarize? It's basically prefetch. Prefetch used to help programs boot up faster. It logs with a special hash made by Windows, and we can use WinPrefetch view. Like, how do you see if they're hollowing? We can see it by if it's missing a process exe or path, like Notepad. In here, this program was hollowed, so this is so it doesn't have a process path. That's why. Are there ways cheaters can block or nullify tools like that? Yeah, there are plenty of ways. Yeah. Can they hollow and it keeps the process path? All right. There is nothing. Do I unban someone if they were banned on Modern? Mouse delay fix? Yeah. You only ban for hit delay fix. Bro, this I just got added. I'm letting 2020 do it. Bro, accept. We only ban for hit delay fix. We don't ban for mouse delay fix. I mean, that's at least in Red Lotus. I don't know why Grace just decided to bypass. Who's we? Red Lotus, bro. Now still Apex is built into Badlion? I don't think so. Is it true? I don't think it's true. But you can't. No, you mouse delay fix is definitely allowed. Is Red Lotus a mafia? Yeah. Yeah, hit delay fix is bannable. It's not built into Badlion at all. Alright, do you guys have any questions about Prefetch or any questions at all? Anything about Prefetch? When Prefetch view? Any of the tools? Well, actually, I'll show you guys. Wait. Whenever Spockman releases this, you guys should use this Prefetch view. Whenever he does it. It's probably gonna be released in 2027. Okay? It's gonna be very good, according to him. And you guys should use it. Yeah, 2027. Yep. That's what he told me. 2027. Yeah, he's working on his autoclicker though, so he has a lot of projects. He has like Prefetch View, Amcache parser, and blah blah blah. I need to go SS, wrap it up. I mean, the webinar is basically done. Do you guys have any more questions or are your exams finished? Yep. I can do as much webinars. Give us the bypass. No. Daily webinars? Not daily, no. I still have school. I don't have winter break. Maybe every 2 days, yeah. I mean, you guys have winter break, so I can use that. All right, any more questions? Any more questions, guys? Anything? No, thank you. No problem. Any questions? Yo, Harry, please delete what Grace sent. Okay, I can host next. What is next? System Informer. I mean, to be honest, I don't care. I can host System Informer. It's not that hard. It doesn't have much ideas as well. I'm not gonna let you host. Like, I don't trust you, to be honest. I need someone with like knowledge. Can we host together? No, bro. I'm probably like gonna let Lily or Jacob. Yes, we are. No, no, no. Probably gonna let Lily or Jacob or someone else. Do I? Yeah, you're never hosting. Please don't talk. No. If you ever host, I'm gonna fucking nuke the server. Okay? I'm gonna fucking nuke all of the server. Do I have a chance? Uh, I don't know. How to make good echo teams. I mean, this guy's webinar is gonna be, oh, guys, don't look at their prefetch. It's gonna invade their privacy. This is a joke. No, you just do that. Like, what? Fanboy.exe. Does he get bypassed by OP autoclicker? Oh, wait, I should show that bypass. Man, I'm too lazy. That bypass. Wait, let me. Hold on. I need prefetch integrity. Prefetch integrity. Where is it? Where is it? Prefetch. There it is. You guys can use Lily script, or you can use this. whatever I sent. It was made by Baka, which is Alekhine, admin in Ocean. IP grabbers? No, no, no. This basically checks for duplicate hashes, hidden files, and what else? Read-only files. 2020's nutritionist. This guy. Let me run it again. Hold on. Player rights are important though. They should be protected. Alright, prefetch folder is clean. Let me let's choose random files. Let's do this. And this. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. This is how Java got bypassed. Is Java here? God, he left. Okay. Alright. This is how Java got bypassed. This catches it, basically. Why is this script so ass? Java's still. Let me mute this guy. Yo, Java.
Yo, bro, what bypass are you talking about, bro? You're like OP autoclicker, low key, kind of hard to find.
Look. Hold on. This was the bypass. You got bypassed by.
What? Oh, fucking
Yeah,
the
you guys can use Prefetch Integrity Analyzer to catch this
no,
bypass.
no, the hex swapping, the one where they modified the hex value, or the what is it called?
No, they did a replacement
No, no, no,
on the
no. I got
field.
bypassed by attribute swapping. Some shitty ass attribute swap.
Basically, this catches that. Lotus Prefetch Integrity Analyzer. It checks for duplicate
All right, buddy. At the
signatures
time, bro, I was
or
still using
duplicate.
last activity viewer, so let's pipe down.
Are you following your diet? I am, yeah.
Nah, he's not. He's a little fat
So
ass.
this guy sent me a fucking diet. Encrypted cheats in a legit .jar with a legit hash. That no. What do you mean encrypted cheat in a legit dot? If you like type or if you add things to a legit .jar, it will change the hash. Like if you do output blah and its hash is 123, if you make it like blah 1, it'll change the hash to like 321.